Hello, hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are well. So today I've got SANGEAN DT-120 AM FM radio, pocket radio. This is a very cute little radio. This will actually fit in your pocket. It's that small, so it works with batteries. That's where the battery compartment is. And this is the lock button. When you first open the radio, and it will be locked, so you need to unlock in order to turn the radio on. Okay, so it has 5 preset buttons, so you can save 5 FM stations and 5 AM stations. And this is the tuning control buttons, these two, and this is volume up and volume down buttons, and also this is the on off button. Okay, if you hold it and let go, it turns off. And okay, as much as it is a on off button, you can actually change the frequency from this button, like FM to FM2 and also to AM. If you quickly press it and let go, it will change. But if you leave your finger for a long time, the radio will turn off. Okay, I'll show you. See, it changes. Now it's on AM, so I'm going to go back to FM here. And also this button, DBB, so it's better to press DBB. It's actually DBB stand for deep bass boost. So when you press it once, see how DBB comes. So it's actually better if you when you use earphones to have DBB on. Obviously you have to use earphones because it doesn't have a speaker. What else? And this little button to change from stereo to mono. So if you press it once, quick press, see, it changes. And if you want to turn it off, press it again, or it'll go away. Yeah, okay, I think it's that's about it. And if you want to watch my previous videos, I have actually uploaded how to save stations and also how to set the time. You can have a look at those if you like. And another thing is, this is the battery indicator, as you can see here, and also 90-minute shut off, which means, so if you like, it's a battery, it's to save battery. So within like after 90 minutes, the radio will shut off automatically, so you can save your batteries. Okay guys, that's about it. As I always say, you can ask me any questions, and yeah, I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.